Start over. Start over. Start over.
My name is Suchitra Mitra, and I am from India, Calcutta. I came in 10 years ago. I came into Arlington, and I've been working at the Arlington Public Library for the last 10 years. I've been lucky that I got into this library because this is one of the best libraries in the region, I would say, or maybe the country.
Can you tell them where you're from?
I am from Kolkata, which used to be Calcutta.
And where did
in
you
India.
work?
And I used to work for the U.S. Information Agency, which was part of the U.S. State Department. The libraries there it's all over the world. They have libraries all over the world, and they are specially designed to disseminate information about the life and culture and literature and whatnot of America, about the United States. And a lot of people come in to find out about the United States. There are various kinds of people who come in. There are academics who come in to look up magazines, borrow books from the libraries. There are students who want to find out about colleges and universities in the United States where they can apply for higher studies. There may be actors and theater people who want to find out what's happening in the theater world in the United States. So the librarians there, or the information center there, provides these people with the information they need.
And what do you do here?
And I work in the Arlington Public Library here. My duties are at the reference desk at the library, and I also take care of the books by mail services. This is a unique service which is extended to the people in Arlington who cannot access the library due to physical disabilities. Should I use that word?
Yeah.
I also visit the senior centers with books. I reach out to the seniors with the books and other materials they may need.